In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open a Google Doc in DocHub. To get started, open your web browser and search for Google Drive. This is the quickest way to get to the right place if you do not already have it bookmarked. Once the search results appear, click the correct Google Drive link to open your Drive homepage. Make sure you are selecting the official Google site so you land in the right location. If you are prompted to sign in, go ahead and log into your Google account. This step is important because you need access to the Google Doc stored in your Drive before you can open it in DocHub. After signing in, wait for your files and folders to fully load so it is easier to find the document you want to work with. Next, locate the Google Doc you want to edit. When you find it, right-click on that document to open the context menu. This menu gives you several file actions, and the one we need is the option that lets you choose another app to open the file. From that menu, hover over Open With. You do not need to click immediately if a side menu appears. Just move your cursor over it and look for the available integrations. In that list, select DocHub, PDF Sign, and Edit. At this point, Google Drive will automatically convert the Google Doc into a PDF and open it inside DocHub. This is an important detail to keep in mind. You are not opening the file as a standard editable Google Doc inside DocHub. Instead, Google Drive creates a PDF version for use within the DocHub editor. That is exactly what allows you to use DocHub's signing and PDF editing tools. If the file takes a moment to open, that is completely normal. The conversion process may take a few seconds depending on the file size and your internet connection. Once it finishes loading, you should see your document in DocHub and be ready to continue editing, signing, or annotating it as needed. One quick tip. If you do not see DocHub listed under Open With, it may mean the integration has not been connected to your Google Drive yet. In many cases, Google Drive will guide you to install or connect the app before you can use it. And that's all it takes to open a Google Doc in DocHub. Follow these steps carefully, and you'll be able to move from Google Drive into DocHub in just a few clicks.